change so that you guys at least have a change of scenery or something. But I will now be filming my video for my internship with Leo. Hi guys, it's just Gabby. This is my dog Leo. He's 5 years old, and we will be your special guests today. Yeah, I'll see you guys soon, hopefully. Take care. Bye. Leo, say bye.
Stand by the integrity of your product. I have this video competitions as well. I have a link down in the description. Let's see. Let's pick a guess. Self-care, so I thought that
these are all of my boxed spring summer clothing. It is now time to sort these out, see which ones I have to donate, which ones I have to keep, and which ones I have to sell. One box is done. 2 more to go. Moving on to the last box. Last box empty. All right, number 6. Can you tell me how you got that answer? Okay, how did you get E? You don't get it? Okay. So you are missing 3 more. The answer is supposed to be E. Oh my god. I just finished my class and I was so scared because the kid already answered all of the questions that I did with him. So, yeah. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my day here at home. Yeah, so I hope everyone's safe. Always wash your hands. Be careful of if you're going out. And I hope you have everything you need. I'll be here at home as usual until this whole thing goes away. But until then, I will see you guys in my next video. And I hope we all keep growing. Bye!